Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee has copped the Song of the Year award at the virtual staging of the Jaria Honor Awards held on Sunday. Koffee won for her mega-hit single Lockdown that has been an anthem since it was released last year. In her acceptance speech, Koffee thanked her fans for their continued support.
Just saying thank you to Jaria Awards and everybody associated with Jaria Awards, and also the fellow nominees for the category Song of the Year Award. Thanks to everybody for listening to Lockdown and for allowing this song to achieve big things, and I just appreciate everybody's still keeping a good energy for the music even during COVID and everything. I know times hard and stuff, and that's the purpose of the music really, for just uplift. So I'm happy to see people are enjoying the efforts of upliftment. So blessings, respect, thank you.
The single won over Agent Sasco's Loco remix, which features Bounty Kill and Kabaka Pyramid, Shensi and Taurus Riley's Lighter, among other tracks that were nominated in the category. Lockdown was released back in July of 2020 and has gained over 53 million views on streaming platform YouTube. The Jaria Awards honored more than 20 persons from the local reggae industry who have made a tremendous impact on the sector. Legendary artists like Roy, Phyllis Dillon and Dr. Brownie were awarded posthumously for their contribution to the industry. Now, reggae artist Protege has finally dropped the long-awaited video for his single dubbed Self-Defense. Since the video was released early today, it has been getting rave reviews from fans on streaming platform YouTube. On the track, Protege addresses his distrust in Jamaica's government system. The visual was directed by Rebecca Williams and shows a group of women taking matters into their own hands to expose a man for his horrific crime. Self-Defense is featured on Protege's latest album In Search of Lost Time, which was released back in August 2020. Now, still on new releases, singer and songwriter Naomi Cowan is back on the scene with the release of her Stargirl mixtape produced by Walshy Fire of Major Lazer. The project features songs such as Energy, Lucky Me, Take Time, and boasts several guest appearances from Jesse Royal, Kes the Band, and Naomi's dad, reggae veteran Tommy Cowan. Naomi took to social media where she shared videos while in the studio working on the track Take Time, which features Kes the Band. She also shared a live performance clip from her single Lucky Me.
Losing speed, yeah, going through the motions. It's too bad you didn't look back.
The mixtape is available as a seamless SoundCloud mix, and it's also on streaming services in a multi-track format. I'm Deidre reporting for Eat Prime. Thank you for watching.